For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Floods and landslides have caused widespread devastation across the entire country. There has been over 900 deaths from 16 states reported this monsoon season. West Bengal, Assam, Gujarat, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh are the worst affected states, seeing the highest death toll. West Bengal has reported 239 deaths due to floods and landslides this monsoon season, and 10 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government. Assam has reported 136 deaths due to floods and landslides this monsoon season, and 16 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government. Gujarat has reported 87 deaths this monsoon season, and 11 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government, whereas Karnataka has reported 75 deaths due to floods this monsoon season, and 5 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government. Madhya Pradesh, on the other hand, has reported 74 deaths due to floods this year, and 12 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government. 69 lakh people in Bihar and 57 lakh people in Assam have been affected by the floods. Millions across India have lost their habitat, livestock, livelihood and have taken shelter at relief camps run by state governments. The centre has deployed 141 rescue teams of the NDRF so far to assist the state disaster response forces. The total flood-related casualties is expected to go up as many states are not filing their situation reports regularly. Situation in Kerala, Maharashtra and Uttarakhand is also worrying. Kerala has reported 56 deaths so far due to floods this year, and 6 NDRF teams have been deployed to assist the state government. Maharashtra has reported 54 deaths due to floods and landslides this monsoon season, and 16 NDRF teams were deployed to assist the state government. Uttarakhand has reported 44 deaths due to floods this monsoon season, and 4 NDRF teams have been deployed to assist the state government. Disasters related to climate change, such as floods, have become a recurring phenomenon in the country, with over 1,000 deaths being reported every year. Millions of people have been pushed into poverty due to loss of habitat and livelihood. Of all the disasters recorded globally between 1996 to 2017, floods accounted for 44%. Climate change is causing more havoc than earthquakes and tsunamis.